Hello student, this video on heat part 3 is brought to you by Gyanodaya High School. Please stay at home and save your life. Today's topic is convection. The transfer of heat in the fluid like liquid and gases take place by this actual movement of molecules from the hotter area to the colder area. The free moving molecules carry heat energy with them. The phenomena of convection requires moving molecules. So we have to see the molecular structure of a solid, liquid and gas. Let us see the molecular structure. In the solid, molecules are tightly packed. In the liquid and gases, they are little free and they are far from each other. So when we will provide heat to the solid, the molecule is nearest to the source of energy, they become hot first, and slowly when they will be fully heated, then it will be passed through that heat to the nearest other molecules, and after some time we will get whole the solid matter become hot. But in the liquid and gases, what we will observe? First, the nearest of the source of energy molecules become hot, and when they will become hot, they will be move upwards, and when they will move upwards, the slowly upwards molecules will become down. So this thing shows as a circular movement of a molecule. Those molecules are heat, they will go upside, rises upside, and those are cold molecules, they will become downside. So this is called the circular movement of the molecules. So we will get in the liquid, the molecules are moving in circular motion, and slowly whole liquid things will become hot. Next, in the air, the molecules are very far from each other. So when the molecules of air become hot, like their source of energy near to the source of energy, when these molecules are become hot, they will be rises up, and when these molecules are rises up, this downside place will be empty, or this will call the vacuum. So this side, all the nearest or side, all the cool molecules are going to come and capture this side, so they will move this side. So we can say that convection current take place by the actual movement of the molecules from the hotter area to the colder area. We will see some more activities to get knowledge about the convection current. So activity 6, objective is to study convection current in liquid. Things required: a flask, water, iron stand, burner and potassium permanganate crystals. Procedure: take a flask and fill the 3/4 with water. Keep it on the stand and set up the aperture showing in the figure. Drop a large crystal of potassium permanganate in the center of the flask. The crystal starts dissolving in water. Now heat the water with a small flame. Note the movement of the color in the flask. Observation: the color water from the place where heat is applied rises upward. After moving up some distance, it is spread out and come down along the sides of the flask. Conclusion: as the water molecules are moving to transfer heat, it shows that heat is transferred by the convection. And the circular movement of this pattern, a fountain-like circular pattern of this movement of the molecule shown in the above activity, is called convection current. Gases. Gases are bad conductor of heat. Heat travels in gases by convection. We will see the activity 7 to more about the convection current in gases. Objective: to study convection current in the air. Things required: an empty rectangular wooden box, a candle, a matchbox, an incense stick or agarbatti, scissor and 2 glass chimneys fitted on the upper side of the box. Procedure: take a rectangular wooden box, whose one side is fitted with the plain glass and one on the top of which are fitted two glass chimneys as shown in figure. Now student, light the candle of and place it under the chimney B. Now hold the smoldering agarbatti near the mouth of chimney. It is seen that smoke is stuck in by the chimney A. It then travels towards lighted candle and finally rises up from the chimney B. Observation and conclusion. The smoke from the incense stick enters the box through the chimney A and leaves the box through the chimney B. It means that the air present in the B chimney, they become hot because of candle is glowing there. So those air molecules are present near to the chimney B, they become hot. And when they become hot, they start rises up. And now they rises up means this place is coming empty. And when this place is empty, so near all the sides, that cool air want to take this or capture this place. So near all the cool air come to the chimney B side and they again start heat and they will move outside. So in this activity we see the agarbatti's smokes are coming to the downside from the A chimney, but it's move out from the B side. It is show the convection current clearly. I hope children you understand how the heat transfer from conduction method and convection method. Next topic is convection current in nature, that we will see in our next video. Thank you.